I was preparing to go into wolf conservation. And during that time, I then had opportunity to work with captive wolves for 3 years. And I was really, again, curious of this kind of distinction almost of just this natural respect. People would come and see the wolves that they'd never met before in their life, and there was just overwhelming sense of like, oh, respect, of like, wow, they're such a majestic, magnificent animal. Like, they have my respect already, which every living being should. But then just through conversation of the wolves and kind of got into conversation with people and their dogs, the conversations that they were sharing with me about their dogs was just very different, and not different necessarily being like abusive or dismissive, not providing the best for the dog, or really providing the best for the animal friend because they love their animal friend. But it was still this kind of level of respect was different in terms of, oh, but still, they're my dog, and so they have to do what I say and what I tell them, or this makes me mad and this makes me frustrated and I don't want them to do that. And I was like, whoa, I was really feeling almost like the suffocation of the animals, and really this sense of control, which for me, in some ways, we have to implement, just like we would for a child. We have to implement some sort of boundaries so that everyone is safe, but in a way that doesn't suffocate the animal. And so I realized, hang on a minute, I want people to be really caring about the land, really caring about nature, really caring about conservation. I actually need to start these conversations happening with their own animal friend that they're coexisting with in their home, because there is a separation there.